Today we're going to learn about the artist Maria Berrio. Maria was born in 1982 in Bogota, Colombia, but now lives and works in New York City. In recent years, her artwork has gained international recognition, and it really is quite remarkable. The subject matter of most of Berrios's work deals with humanitarian or women's issues. And for our project, we're going to explore the 7 Catholic social justice teachings. If you're a student of mine, these are linked and listed in your directions in Google Classrooms. I've also included a link below to the USCCB website, where you'll find these 7 themes. In this project, we are going to be exploring the art form known as collage. Collage is a French term, and it means basically cutting and gluing pieces of paper, fabric, or other objects. Maria Berrio uses a variety of papers, decorative papers, Japanese papers. She will cut them into strips or tear them, and then parts of her paintings are actually painted with watercolor. So the first step is to select your Catholic social justice issue and create a sketch in your sketchbook. Once that's been approved, you can get started on your collage. Our lesson for the collage project begins by looking at the collage work of Maria Berrio and then deciding upon a theme from the 7 Catholic social justice teachings. There's life and dignity of the human person, call to family, community, and participation, rights and responsibilities, option for the poor and vulnerable, the dignity of work and the rights of workers, solidarity, and care for God's creation. Under direction 2, after you look at Maria Berrio's work, you're going to click on the link for the 7 Catholic social justice teachings. It takes you to the USCCB website. There you can click on any of the 7 social justice teachings, and they will give you scripture verses as well as additional information from the Catechism and other sources that support these teachings and our call to action as Catholics. Once you've decided on which teaching you're going to try and depict in your collage, then in pencil, draw your idea in your sketchbook. Remember, in your sketch, you should include at least 1 animal or 1 human figure. Following the directions for drawing, collaging, and painting, you're going to gather your supplies. In your Ziploc bag, you're going to select the papers that you are going to need. They're in various locations in the classroom. When you have your idea, you may want to look for photos online or within your own pictures to help you create your idea for your collage. I printed out 2 pictures that I took along the Indian River Lagoon. One of just the mangroves and the waters along the river's edge, and one where we see a crane in amongst its natural habitat. So I put both images together in my sketch. Once I've worked out my idea in my sketchbook, I'm going to recreate my idea on my larger watercolor paper. And if there are any areas that I want to paint first before I begin collaging, I'm going to do that. Otherwise, I've included a link below to the USCCB. Take 1400.